Hi everyone, this is David from Benchmark. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create blocks in MicroSurvey's MSCAD. Now you can see I already have a cul-de-sac drawn up on my screen here. Now to turn this into a block, what I'm going to do is click on my Insert tab and then click on Create Block. Then I can give it a name, and I can either specify the base point and the screen entities here, or I can choose them on screen, and that's what I'm going to do in this video here. And I can just hit OK. Now my base point, I'm just going to choose the bottom left corner here, and then to select all the entities in this block, all I have to do is click and drag a window around my block here, and then I can just press enter. And now that my cul-de-sac's been created into a block, if I go to my block editor, you can see it show up right here. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to our channel to see all the helpful content we have coming. And if you have any idea what you'd like to see next out of these videos, leave it in a comment down below. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us online at www.bench-mark.ca. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.